welcome back to my channel, Melody Ballerina Vlogs. I'm in Greenbelt right now and I'm going to go to time zone and at the same time magdi-dinner na din. Now, I'm going to the time zone right now in Glorieta 5. Ayan, hinahanap ko na ngayon ang time zone. Thank you. Hi Jen, I wanted to try this one because I'm very stressed. Thank you. Yeah. Yes. Next time around, I will be here mas maaga para matry ko. Thank you. Try this for my next visit. Oh, very relaxing. I will be back and I will bring my friends, who really needs this. Especially the senior people, no? Thank you. In Greenbelt right now, Greenbelt 5. There you go. Other side is the Watsons. Ang dami nakapila dun sa Japanese restaurant, guys. in Greenbelt Fry, there's a Toys for Us. So, papasok tayo dito. This is the back. Uy, Hello Kitty. What is this? Hello Kitty. Cute. Oh, my favorite Elmo is in the house. I'm inside that Greenbelt 5. Hindi pa rin nila alam kung anong hinahanap ko. Hindi ko rin alam kung saan ko mahahanap yung hinahanap ko. What is one? Not that one. Not Yahoo. Diba? Lap. Cute. Diba, hide. And you're not, what? What did you say? You never stop talking. You're the only one talking. Ano to? 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sobrang cute. Record. Ay, sorry. Ayan. So, ano ulit pangalan kuya? Hindi ko na-record.
Congrats po.
Sis, gano'n kayo kaliit yan? Yung maliit. And then this one?
Maliit lang po siya kung tinapos sa 85 pesos. Ito po kasi 96 pesos.
Ang ganyan. Iniiwanan na. Ang cute. Ay, malay mo, sira pala yan. Sis. Pambata. So I ended up here buying Lego and toys. 5 and the Toys for Us. Galing na magagawa ng Lego, no? my new toy. Doing this car truck without a car. And eventually I will not, or I will donate this car truck to one of the employees here pag hindi magkasa sa condo ko. Sobrang laki. Thank you! I ended up buying my dinner here at Nanyang. Ended up here, my favorite prawn noodles. Thank you. It's laksa, no, kuya? So, this is what I'm looking for, the laksa prawn. So, my Greenbelt, ikot-ikot. Ended up in Nanjang, and I'm buying my favorite laksa right now. Prawn laksa, and this one also. Thank you guys. Salamat for accommodating me. Pwede ba ako mag-vlog dito minsan? Ayan. Nagutom si Inday at nauwi ako dito. At nagutom si Inday at napunta ako dito. My favorite laksa soup. Ayan. Thank you. Thank you for supporting my channel. Palagi maraming salamat and congratulations to us. I'm 35,000 already. 10 million views or more than. Ayan. Maraming salamat guys. Yun guys, naikot ko kayo dito sa Greenbelt 5. Yeah, no makeup look tayo today. It's Sunday at ikot-ikot lang tayo. Kakatapos lang namin mag-dinner. Bye! Thank you so much for supporting my channel, Meldy Balubino Vlogs.